Not sure which Gmail is linked to your eFootball account or want to confirm your Konami ID email? In this video, I'll show you how to check your Gmail-linked eFootball account on Android step by step. Let's jump right in. Method 1. Check inside eFootball. Open eFootball on your Android. After that, load the game. Tap Extras on the main screen. Then tap Support. Now tap Link Data. Here you will see Google Play linked and Konami ID linked. If you tap View Link Data, it may open a browser where you can see the exact email more clearly. Method 2. Check your Google or Gmail settings. If you want to see all linked services for the Gmail account, open the Gmail app on your Android. Tap your profile icon at top right. Then tap Manage your Google account. Go to Data and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Third-party apps and services. Look for eFootball on the list. This Gmail is used for linking to the game. That's how you could check your Gmail-linked eFootball account on Android. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.